So guys, now today we will see how to how to make a audible file of a PDF. Assume you have a storybook or any kind of book in PDF format, and you don't have that much of time to read that PDF. Okay, you can just quickly run this code, and it will make that PDF into an audible file, and then you can just listen that PDF in an audio. Okay, so for example, inside the folder we have this sample.pdf. So this is basically a simple PDF file which has this line like this is a small demonstration PDF file, and then it has like add more text, and continuing, then boarding, then add more text, again continuing to till here. Yeah, that's it. This is a really sample PDF file, and basically you can convert any kind of PDF file. I'll show you with bigger PDF file as well. Okay, so let's just quickly make a Python file called maybe anything. You can just write PDF to audio.py. Okay, that's it. So we need three modules. First one is pyttsx3, then pypdf2. That is because of we wanna import the PDF. Like, actually we don't want to import the PDF. We want to write a code which will basically ask you every time that which PDF you wanna run this time. Okay, you can just choose one PDF, then it will just convert that into an audio file, then it will just speak that audio for you. Then yeah, that will be more like variable kind of things. It is not a constant for to a file. Okay, it will ask you every time whenever you run this code for like which file you wanna run. Okay, so and there is one more module, that is tkinter. So obviously we need to install these three modules. You can just do one thing, you can just quickly install these three modules by using pip. That is a really convenient method. So I'll just open my terminal over here, and I'll just write pip install pyttsx3. That's it. So now if I run it, it will just download and install this module on my device. You can see it already satisfying, but in your case it may be download this module and install on your device. And then we also need the pypdf2. So pip install pypdf2. So it will download, yeah, and install on my device. Perfect. So now we can use these three modules. So import pyttsx3, then we want to import pypdf2, then from tkinter dot file dialog, this one import all. Okay, that means star. That's it. And now let's just open, like let's just code for, like it will ask you every time whenever you run this code to open a PDF. Okay, so I'll just make a variable called book. Okay, and that will be equals to ask open file name, this one. So it will basically ask you for a file every time when you run this code, and then we wanna read it as a PDF. So obviously it is a PDF file, so PDF reader will be the variable name, and that will be equals to pydf2 dot pdf reader. Then inside the parentheses we need to pass the book. Okay, and then we need to actually read page by page. So we will just make a variable called pages, and that will be equals to pdf reader dot num pages. It will basically count how many pages are there in a PDF. Suppose you wanna convert one big book, then it will basically count how many pages are there. Okay, and then obviously we need to write for loop for that, so that it can just convert every pages into an audible file. So for num in range 1 comma pages. Okay, and inside the for loop we actually need to find out all the text from one page, right? So I'll just make a variable called page, and it will basically get that particular page. Okay, for example, in the first case the num is 1, right? So assume the PDF has 10 pages, so it will basically get all the content from the first page. Okay, then we want to convert that in a text format. So yeah, pdf reader dot get page and inside the parenthesis we have to pass the num. So in the first for loop it will just pass the page 1, then page 2, then page 3 till the end of the pages of that book. And then we want to actually want to get all the text from that pages, right? So text will be equals to page dot extract text. That's it. This is a method, so you don't need to pass anything. And now we actually need to initialize a player. Okay, that means it will just play the audio for you of that particular page content. So we have now the content of that page that is inside this variable called text. And now let's just initialize a player. So player will be pyttsx3 dot init. Yeah, okay. And now we actually want to play the text for with this player. Okay, so player dot say, and inside the parenthesis we have to pass the text. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Now we actually wanna wait for few seconds after going to the before going to the next page. Okay, so player dot run and wait. Okay, so the last line will be basically like it will first run all the text through an audio, and then it will just wait for few milliseconds basically, and then it will just again run the content of the second page. Okay, so now let's just clear the terminal and let's run this Python file. Okay, it threw an error that no module name pyttsx3 is present. So let's just install that again. Maybe I didn't install it. Okay, it is showing me that requirements are already satisfied. That means it's already installed on my device. So that's means I choose wrong interpreter. So yeah, Python 3.8.2. So now if I run it, yeah, it ran properly. Now it is asking me what PDF file you want to convert to audio. So I'll just quickly go into the folder, and we have this sample.pdf, right? So I'll just quickly open it.
Simple PDF file 2, continued from page 1. Yet more text. And more text. And more text. And more text. And more text.
I don't have any speakers,
and more
so
text.
I don't know whether it is working
and more
or
text.
not.
And more text. Oh, how boring typing this stuff. But not as boring as watching paint dry. And more text. And more text. And more text. And more text. Boring. More, a little more text. The end, and just as well.
So that's perfect, right? So now let's just quickly download one more storybook, something like that. Okay, so let's go into pdf drive.com. There you'll get all the free PDFs. These are really awesome. So I'll just download one file, that is give and take why helping other drives our success. I don't know, maybe this will be good one. I don't know if the texts are really good for in visible, then it will be really good. Otherwise, if this is a screenshot from your mobile phone, then that will be bad, because Python will not actually recognize all the text from there. So yeah, this looks good. So I'll just quickly download this one into that particular folder, and I'll name it yeah, give and take is perfect. So let's just save it. Great, and let's run this Python file again, and let's choose this particular PDF. Open. Actually, I don't have any speaker. Let's just connect an earphone.
Years later.
Okay, basically it took some time to gather all the text, and then it will just speech. Well, I guess it didn't recognize all the text from that particular PDF file, so I need to download one more PDF file. Okay, so I downloaded this mindset.pdf, and let's open it in normal PDF reader. You can see this is a book, a mindset, a new psychology of success. So the text are really good, I guess, and let's run this code again. Okay, so let's just clear the terminal and let's run it again. And now I'll choose the mindset.pdf. Okay,
Contents. Cover page.
So you can see
Title
it's
page.
working, right?
Introduction. 1E
Introduction.
mindsets.
I don't know.
Why do people differ? What does all this mean for you? You. The two mindsets a view from the two mindsets. So, what trademark S new?
I don't know what
Self-insight.
page is
Who has
actually
accurate
reading.
views
But
of
it's
their
really
assets
cool
and
for a
limitations?
cool project
What
actually,
trademark
right?
S in store? 2 inside the mindsets. Is success about learnings or proving you? Trademark re. Smart. Mindsets change the meaning of failure. Mindset. S change the meaning of effort. Questions and answers.
It's
3
great.
truth about ability and accomplishment. Mindset and school. Achievement is artistic ability a gift. The danger of praise and positive
Okay,
labels,
that's it,
negative
that's it.
labels.
I'll just
And how they
close,
work.
this
4
one,
ports.
close the program. That's it. So in this way you can make a audible file of any kind of PDF, and similarly now if you want to save that thing, so player.save, that's it.